Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again in this video, and we are studying some GK objectives, questions and answers, which are equally important for examinations point of view. Either it is competitive exams of wherever GK is needed, there for these exams. Here are some objectives. First one is, what is EAS? EAS, that is East Asia Summit. It is an initiative of ASEAN based on premise of the centrality of ASEAN is a regional forum held annually by leaders of 18 countries in the East Asian, Southeast Asian and South Asian regions. So first of all we will come to know what is ASEAN. ASEAN, a group of some countries, that is, and the full form of ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and East Asia Summit is a initiative of that group of countries, that is called ASEAN. So they started this summit, and this summit has 18 countries are there in this summit, and the reasons included in this summit are East Asian, Southeast Asian and South Asian regions. And when we talk about East Asia Summit, there are 6 priority areas decided by these 8 countries for the agenda of this East Asia Summit. These are global health issues and pandemic diseases, natural disaster management, education, finance, environment and energy, and ASEAN connectivity. India endorses regional collaboration in all these priority areas. So it would be much beneficiary for India, as India endorses regional collaboration in all these priority areas, and it cooperates. India cooperates with all these 18 countries who are member of this East Asia Summit. Second one is ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, formerly known as Imperial Council of Agricultural Research. It is the apex body for coordinating, guiding and managing research and education in agriculture, including horticulture, fisheries and animal sciences in the entire country. Headquarters are New Delhi, established in July 1929, and ICAR is an autonomous organization under the Department of Agricultural Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So in the examinations, maybe sometimes examiner may ask one question: what is the full form of DARE? First of all, we should know that what is the full form of DARE, that is Department of Agricultural Research and Education. And when we talk about ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and earlier known as Imperial Council of Agricultural Research. And when we learn about this, then we are just only to change one word, that is at present it is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and before that it was Imperial Council of Agricultural Research. And as we all know, and it is for agricultural research, so it works. So all the works are being done by this council related to agricultural field, and like horticulture, fisheries, animal sciences, etc. And headquarter, we all know headquarter is at New Delhi, and it was established in July 1929. Next one is Manas National Park. Manas National Park or Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is a national park, UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a Project Tiger Reserve, an Elephant Reserve and a Biosphere Reserve in Assam, India. So we can see that Manas National Park is located at Assam, and it is not only a national park but also it is a wildlife sanctuary along with the UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site. A project tiger reserve plus an elephant reserve and a biosphere reserve. Therefore, whenever we study Manas National Park in GK, it is the most important topic of our general knowledge, and it is located in the Himalayan foothills. It is contiguous with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. The park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as the Assam roofed turtle, etc. It is famous for its population of the wild water buffalo. The Manas River, a major tributary of Brahmaputra River, passes through the heart of the park. The bedrock of the savanna area is in the north of the park is made up of limestone and sandstone, whereas the grasslands in the south of the park stand on deep deposits of fine alluvium. So Manas National Park, first of all, we have studied the why it is so important, because whether it is tiger reserve or elephant reserve or biosphere reserve or a sanctuary, it is known for all these things. It is situated at Assam, and it has some it is known for some endangered endemic wildlife, and the most important thing is the Manas River. The Manas River, which is a major tributary of Brahmaputra River. The examiner may ask that name of the major tributary of Brahmaputra River. This is Manas River, and it passes through this Manas National Park, and the bedrock of the savanna area and grassland, and all these things we can find here. That's all for today. Thank you very much.